Let's go and make something.
Really need to connect that. Need to get another flexi hose. So why am I making it so long? I'm actually making 3 of them, so that's why. One from my mother and my 2 sisters. So I've actually got to trim it down even more. However, to do that, we'll carve it out first to help stop splitting, I think, just to be on the safe side. Hardwood. Make sure the chisels are nice and sharp, which mine are only kind of sharp. The reason I did it that way is because I didn't want to. I wasn't sure how the wood was going to react with me carving it when we've got so much, so thin a border. It could have easily split, which now thinking back I don't think it did. And B, I kind of miscalculated, so when I've put the swivel on wider, you swivel it, you wouldn't have been able to get the USB stick out. So I've now trimmed it down. So why did I make these keepsake boxes? Well, recently my father died, and on the USB sticks is a copy of the funeral service, and I thought it'd be a nice touch just to make a wee keepsake box, and I made one for my mother and one each for my two sisters, so I thought it was just a nice wee touch. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.